Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Marcus. My UMS ID is BB24161130. So in this presentation, I will explain my Power BI dashboard for the MetroMath range performance analysis based on the three required analytical questions. I will walk through each graph and describe what it shows. For the first graph, which is total cost versus revenue performance, I use a line chart. For the first graph, we can see the operating cost and revenue performance for both branch, City Mall and Likas across the quarterly periods. For City Mall, the trend show that revenue increased significantly in the October to December quarter, reaching its highest peak. Operating costs also increased accordingly, but remain below revenue, indicating positive profitability. For Likas, a similar pattern can observe. Revenue dropped slightly in the January to March quarter, but increased steadily again up to October to December. Operating costs were well controlled and consistently lower than revenue. For the second graph, I used a line and clustered column chart. This graph shows that comparison between the actual sales for both branch, City Mall and Likas, against the sales target across different product categories. Overall, City Mall and Likas show almost parallel performance, but several categories stand out. Fresh produce record the highest sales for both brands and both exceed the sales target. This indicates strong demand for fresh product. For categories like packaged food, household goods, and beverage, actual sales were too close to the target, even though the target was slightly higher. This shows stable performance with some room for improvement. In categories such as frozen goods, personal care, and electronics, both brands recorded lower sales compared to other categories, but still show balanced competition between City Mall and Likas. Lastly, health product recorded the lowest sales for branches, and we were below target, indicating that this category may require additional marketing or promotional strategy. In summary, City Mall and Likas show consistent sales pattern with the strongest performance in fresh produce, while several other categories need further focus to meet overall targets. For the third graph, which is the last graph, which is brand performance, I use a spider chart. This rather show a chart shows the comparison between the actual scores and target score for four key performance metrics: customer satisfaction, employee productivity, service reliability, and stock turnover. Overall, both brands come also to meeting in the targets, especially in service reliability and customer satisfaction, where the actual scores are not far from the target. However, there are significant gaps in employee productivity and stock turnover, where the actual scores fall below targets. Based on the three findings, both brands are performing well, but still have areas for improvement to fully reach target, especially in employee productivity and stock management. So that's all from me. Thank you.